Senor Burro. Getting the gear clean, and you're gonna get everything clean.
Clean the crap out of all of this.
Yep. You already been down on the housing?
Yep. Housing's done. I just gotta clean it.
Nice. So this should be ready to leave here. Not
today.
Yeah, today. It can go bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
Alright, what do we got going on here?
Oh, we got this big fucking thing we're shoving in the hole.
Sticking in the gear, big boy.
Ooh.
If you need anything, holler. If not, just jump off and we'll catch you.
What?
Jump off or bridge and we'll ignore you.
Who has a Sharpie?
Nobody in this goddamn garage.
In my box.
Okay, I can get it after. I got this. Okay. Scotty, I'll be right there. I'm coming,
This is
Poppy.
Fucking stupid goddamn evac canister is right where my arm needs to be.
Okay, let me get this going.
Come on. Come on, triceps, don't fail me now.
Scotty, do you need a hug?
Need a lot of things today,
Blow job?
I can get that anytime I want.
Oh.
It does nothing for me. I absolutely can't stand it being soft. I have humiliation.
Hey, we're videoing, by the way.
Well, Xander did it.
Alright, come on, get in the hole.
You made that
I'll just mute that part. I got that kind of down now. What's up, sir?
Yeah.
There we go.
Coming.
So you'll throw the nuts on there and then...
Holy shit. Alright, what the fuck did I do with
So you'll throw the nuts on there, get them all cranked down, and we'll fill it with food. We'll put the axles and then fill it with food.
that? Pray to God this doesn't leak.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this again.
Alrighty. Well, we're getting there.
All right. Passenger side's all back together. Third member is back in. Donkey popped that baby in before lunch. Is that one giving you trouble? We've been fighting these axle seals. They've been a total bitch. How is it?
Huh?
Battling?
Pain in the ass as always.
Yeah. But once it gets that in, this axle will go back in, tighten down, reassemble, gear oil, and done. 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 On the ground. Ready to rock. Gear oil in, axles back in. I'm gonna go for, hey, good job, donkey. I'm gonna go for a little test drive a Rooney. And then we can have Anthony come pick this baby up.